welcome back to my channel, and we are continuing my 31 days of Halloween with the second half of this candy corn makeup look. So this part of the makeup look is inspired by McDrew on Instagram, so I'm really digging the skull face with the candy corn, so that is what I'm going to be working on today. So I'm going to get out my white Mayron face paint. I'm going to basically just make a line of where the skull is going to be inside of that. I'm just going to take this wig and stuff off. Wig snatched. I'm going to go in with my Mayron black next, actually. Outline the black areas. Get under that double chin, yo. That looks creepy as hell. Okay, so I just went ahead and just filled in the white area. I'm going to set this with Naked Cosmetics Super White Powder. Looks like snow. Then I am going to go in with the ColourPop Cosmetics Cute AF palette. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called French Kiss. I don't know if that's focusing or not, but yeah. I'm trying my best to be able to blend this into the white, but it's not the easiest thing to blend, the white cream face paint, even with the Naked Cosmetics setting powder on. So then the next color I'm going to go in with Champs, which is this orange shade up here. If you've never heard the phrase, blend until your hand falls off. I am feeling that now. So the thing that I'm doing now is I am going over and darkening the orange. And then I'm going with the yellow shade. And then I'm using that to blend it. And then I'm going to go in with just a little bit of a darker orange to help blend into the black. So I'm going to go in with this shade, which is Louis. It's like the Joker meets candy corn. And then I'm going to go in with this shade down here, which is Mischief. This will be like a shade in between the dark and the orange. Wish I had a better dark shade. I'm gonna go back in with the white and just clean up a little bit. Where did I brush it? Could leave it just like that, but I'm going to fill in the teeth with orange and yellow. Well, there you have it. There is the finished candy corn skull makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. There's a lot of blending, but I think, you know, in the end, it turned out pretty good. So if you liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already because it's free, so why not? It lets me know that you like what I'm doing and that I'm doing a good job. And yeah, I think that is everything. So thanks so much for watching again, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah. Bye!